here we are. We're on another one. And this one's going to be a bit of a different one. Probably just a little talking, updates, what's been happening. But it's been a bit of a quiet week, and we had one day off together, me and Soch and I, and we did the Weipa mine and town tours, which was bloody incredible. Filmed everything there, and it's going to be another, I guess, huge episode. We'll try and keep it one episode, but just the amount of footage we got's bloody incredible. So that's coming. It'll probably be next week. But big news is YouTube has started paying us, and we've managed to buy a MacBook, which is sort of a big goal, like to get one of these, because we've been editing our videos on a little iPad, which is pretty hard, bit of a pain, but we've managed to do it. Having that MacBook, I guess, well, that's just going to give us endless space, the ability to put together loads more videos sort of at once, a lot quicker and easier. But we'll see how we go with that one. It's going to be the Weipa mine and town tour. Is going to be our first video editing on the MacBook, so I guess let us know how it goes in the coming weeks. But that's all pretty much paid for, that MacBook, through YouTube, so we're over the moon there. It's something we never really thought would happen, but it did, so incredible. Over the moon with that. Other news, we've got some little bits for the Caravan, bit of a Caravan update, some little bits for the drawers, new solar panel. I'll try and leave a little clip in here somewhere. So we're still waiting on the mounting kit for the solar panels, which they were supposed to be here a couple of days ago, but I guess with all this COVID sort of stuff happening down south, Victoria and New South Wales, we'll wait another couple of days. But I was hoping to get that in the video, but we'll see how we go over the next couple of days before Friday. So it's been a while since we've been in the Caravan here, but we've got some small little maintenance jobs. Well, little parts that we bought from eBay that have come in. For those with caravans and campers, you got these little latches here, which are good and all, but the backing's plastic, and they do like breaking, which I don't know if you can see there. They're not that good. But we've got a couple of them that are broken, so we're going to try and replace them. I'll rip this one off and I'll show you a bit of a close-up. So here we are. This is the, if this will focus, but this is sort of the back, the hidden bit, and it's you can see we've sort of glued it a couple of times, which is a bit of a pain. It works for a bit and then it sort of doesn't, it gets all jammed up inside. So I think it was 40 odd bucks, 40 something bucks from eBay. We got loads of them now, and we can try and replace a couple of them. I think we've got 3 maybe broken, and it was 3 for, or maybe 4 for 35 bucks, or 10 for 50, 40 something bucks. So we got a lot, so if we break some more we can just replace them on the road. But it's a nice quick little easy job. First sort of job starting back on the Caravan, so we'll replace these and should have some working drawers again. There you go. Simple as that. Got a working drawer again. Didn't come with washers, so we had to reuse the washers from the old ones, but I guess that's alright because we've still got all the old original clips, so we can take the washers off that. But happy days. We'll change another, I think I've got 2 more to do. But also a bit handy to just have a couple sort of spare, just in case the cupboards do break, which ours did. And they sort of flapped around a bit. We had to tape them up a couple of times just to close them over, travelling over distance, sorry. But yeah, now we got spares. 1 breaks, quick and easy, 2 screws, replace it. No cupboards flapping around or anything, so pretty good. 1 job down. Now, another little job we had was up the top here. Excuse the dust. It's been sitting out in the dust, getting filthy really. But this solar panel here is all smashed up, which happened because of this. On the corrugations, this is flipped up and hit right here somewhere. But yeah, got to replace that. But thinking about it, after purchasing the solar panel, I think it was 90 bucks or something from Mitre 10 here in Weipa, King's brand, can't complain, they've been doing a good job. But after thinking about it, it still works. So what's the point in replacing it when it's still working? So I guess we're stuck with this other solar panel now, which we may as well whack it straight behind it somewhere. We've got another mounting kit on the way, and our little DC charger takes 300 watts of solar. So we'll add it to it, add another one on there, and I guess hope this one doesn't die. But yeah, mounting kit is on the way. It should be here sometime this week. Touch wood, we should be able to get it into this video, so hope for that. So this is going to be well, probably a little bit of a late add to the video, but we got a little package today of the solar panel sort of mounting hardware, and hopefully this video gets dropped in between where I was talking about the solar panel. But there it is. Got here. We've got our little King's panel here, which comes without the ends, which is good for me. There it is. 100 bucks I think it was, 100 odd bucks, maybe 110, 120, maybe 90, I can't remember off the top of my head. And 30 bucks for these off eBay. So it should be relatively straightforward here. We'll give the roof a bit of a clean up, fix these onto the solar panel, and then I guess use this Sikaflex here and just give it to the bottom of these the whole way around. Drop the solar panel on top and let it sit there for, well, until we use it next. And touch wood, we'll try and do the wiring tonight, if not maybe tomorrow night, but I doubt that's going to make the video. But let's get into it, I guess. There she is, all mounted up on the brackets, which took just under a beer, so that much of a beer, so pretty easy, pretty cruisy. And I guess we'll give the roof there a little bit of a tidy up, a bit of a clean up with those wipes, and try and silicone it down, I guess. Do a bit of wiring. Now the old panels, both of them were doing, I think on a good day you get 11 amps out of them both. So we'll see what this one brings in, I guess. We haven't got any fridge or anything running in there at the moment, so I guess we'll see in the future what it brings in. But just looking at the differences of these panels, there's about a year between them. But if you can see these lines here, and we'll jump up on top of the Caravan, have a look at the old ones. They're a little bit different. Excuse the dust, but these ones have got these little diamonds in them and a lot thicker lines. So we'll see how we go. They're both 110 watts, but these two are the same, apart from that one's smashed. That one's a little bit different. Oh, there she is. Looks straight to me, but I guess we'll jump down and have a look from the front. Yeah, it's good enough for me. Which, looking up here, it's pretty cool because we can fit another one, probably two down the back panel as well. There's another 3 panels. That's if we ever want to, or get the upgrades that we want. But yeah, happy days. All we got to do now is chuck some weights on it, which will be these, and wire it up, which will probably be another day because we might have to extend those cables into these little hubs we got here. So we've pretty much used the whole tube here. This Sikaflex 11 FC. It's a lot stronger than the stuff we previously used on this one, but we've also run the whole way around each one a nice bead. Just fill in any holes and pack as much as we can of that Sikaflex in. So yeah, beautiful, job done. Just got to wire it. Also coming up, we've booked a week off, or 4 or 5 days off I think, or so Shaz, and we're going to use that to get to the tip and explore it and try and not so much rush getting to the tip, but race up to the tip and then take our, I guess, time to come back. But we have purchased a swag. It's a big king swag. Bigger than we thought, heavier than we thought, but it's the biggest one they got. What is it? The Big Daddy Deluxe, which is pretty good. $2.99 for that. We've had it all out. We've seasoned it, I think they call it, seasoned it, or sprayed it all down a couple of times and made it, I guess, weather resistant. But yeah, over the moon with that. $2.99. Doesn't include a bag, but is what it is. So we'll be able to leave the caravan here and, I guess, swag it up to the tip. Not have to worry about lugging the caravan around. So expect a couple of videos from the, I guess, heading to the tip, Cape York tip, the most northerly point of Australia, in the coming weeks. Can't wait for that. We're going to try and do a couple of videos on that, and it's going to be great. It's going to be sort of camping without the caravan, which is going to be different. I don't think Social's ever really done that before. I haven't done it for near on 10 years, so that'll be fun. Loading the car, fridge, water, swag, and I guess we'll just swag it under the awning. And on a fishing update as well, absolutely spewing. Managed to catch a barramundi, first barramundi I've ever caught, and incredible fight on this little rod as well. Bloody great fight. Jumping around, peeling off line, but unfortunately I'm an idiot and didn't have the GoPro out, didn't have the film on or anything. Managed to get a couple of pictures, a little clip or something, but I'll sort of leave that somewhere on here. But yeah, I'm on the board. First barramundi, over the moon, stoked. And that's why I'm down here now. There's nice high tides going around at the moment, and the barras are biting, so this is me for the rest of the night. First barra, 60, 630, over the moon there. First barra.
First barra, 63 centimetres. Turn him towards me, mate. The light of the truck is getting in the way a bit, but cool.
Now our plan as well for leaving Weipa, I guess when we're done here, we've still got another month and a little bit of work up here, which has been bloody fantastic. We've seen a lot of Weipa, seen a lot of, I guess, the far north, but not many people get to see, and worked up here, so that's another thing we can put on our little checklist that we've done. But this has been a great little town, great community, met some great people here, and I guess where I'm going here is our plans for when we leave here, which we haven't really come up with any plans, to be honest. We don't know what's going to happen with the borders or with all this COVID stuff happening, but I think we're just going to play it by ear. We're going to do the tip in a couple of weeks. We're going to head back down once we're finished and go from there. We've got no plans, no idea. We don't have to be anywhere, so I guess we'll just cruise. But that's a while away, and I'm looking forward to it, but I'm also don't really want to leave at the same time. It's bloody beautiful here. Hope that's answered a couple of people's questions. If you have any more, feel free to leave them below. We'll try and keep going as we go and making the videos. We'll answer these questions. But anyway guys, from beautiful Weipa, cheers. We'll see you on the next one.